Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about BlogInfo. So BlogInfo is a function provided by the WordPress, and you can do a bunch of cool things with BlogInfo. Suppose you want to know the site title, you want to fetch the site title in your WordPress theme. What you can do is you can use this BlogInfo function and you can easily get the site info like the site title. So if I click on this and open this in a new tab, you can see this there are a bunch of references and bunch of resources that you can go through to get to know this function a bit more. Here you can see all the things you can do. Like if you want to show the blog title, you can simply say PHP blog info and name, and voila, the site title will be showed in your WordPress theme. So there are a bunch of cool things that we will later discover with our WordPress theme when we will actually work on that. So then you will see that in yourself, and you don't have to worry about it because I will be basically guide you everything step by step. I This was just a video of where you can find the blog info if you want to know more of it. Later we will use this function in our WordPress theme. So that's about it for this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.